Hi, I'm Adeline from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division. Today, we are here in District 28, northeastern part of Singapore, to check out this charming detached house that sits on a large land area of 3,900 square feet and built-up area of 3,230 square feet at Sunrise Avenue. This house consists of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. More than $200,000 was spent on renovating the interiors just 7 years ago. It has natural light and well ventilated. You can actually watch your kids play at the playground from the comfort of your home. The unique thing of the house is it is unblocked front and back without facing other houses, which is hard to come by. The CTE and TPE is just minutes drive away. You can also take bus number 86 and 70 at the nearby bus stop, which brings you to the Yio Chu Kang bus interchange and MRT station. There is also a shopping mall Greenwich V nearby too. The front car porch is auto-gated, fits 1 car inside and a second car just outside the gate. And in case you have relatives or friends visiting, the road in front caters for parking of at least 5 cars without obstructing the traffic. The property has a spacious living area with high ceiling. It has room for the modern seating with the grandparents' vintage living concept. This wall in the living room has potential to project movie onto it. The dining area sits beside the dry kitchen. You can create an island table here for a modern concept. The owner brought down the walls and put in full-height glass for maximum brightness. Owner's meals can now be accompanied by an open view of the backyard and greenery. This backyard is the modern gardener's dream come true. Owners have their very own fruit garden, complete with bananas, papaya, balonglong, pineapples, and private herbs garden. There is a ready greenhouse for plants enthusiasts. Amazing! Let's check out the wet kitchen. On level 1, there's a ready-built granny's room and a helper's bedroom as well to cater for an elder's convenience. Overlooking the beautiful garden, your master and junior master bedrooms are located on level 2. The master comes with a beautiful walk-in wardrobe and a double sink bathroom. The bedrooms are so spacious that even a king-size bed, there is ample space for other furniture. Let's head up to level 3. Right here on level 3, we have a family area. Owner used this family area as family gym. You can also convert it to play area or tea appreciation corner. We have another ensuite junior master and a common bedroom on level 3. I want to show you this part of the house that I really liked. Overlooking the garden, this vintage round-edge full-height windows in this room fills the house with character. If you'd like to see this beautiful house, give me a call. My name is Adeline. See you here soon.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.